debris everywhere.
That never gets old.
And then you kind of got to manhandle this one to get the cycle properly.
Yeah, I figured.
I wanna get this shot. Low.
buckshot.
9 pellet. Okay. The Super X.
I was shooting a Utosh last weekend. My lady let him shoot it. Same as shit. You have to run like the high brass cases. If not, she was having feeding issues too, like me.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Wait, so you're saying that's not a perfect shotgun?
It has to be the right ammo.
It has to be the right
In a
ammo.
pump
It's
gun.
finicky?
In a pump gun.
Yeah. Has to be this.
No, was hers
Or you can get one of these bitches right here. It's like $500. It'll eat anything you throw at it. From
Yeah.
two to
any size.
Any size.
It likes little guys, small guys.
Yeah.
There are so many different uses and applications for this weapon system, whether it's military, law enforcement, competitive world, whether you're a 3-gun shooter, cowboy action shooting, hunting, clay shooting sports, trap and speak, lots of different